How to stop Gmail storage full warning. Well, to stop this email storage full warning, you need to free up space by deleting large emails and attachments, emptying trash or spam folders, and checking Google Drive or Photos. So basically, you wanna empty your Google account space, Google account storage space. For example, if you have lots of mail, you can head into hamburger icon at the top left and you can head into social. Now these are all unnecessary ones, right? So what you can do is you can proceed to tap and select it, then you can proceed to select all, and then you can proceed to delete it. Now you can do this similarly. Now it will show up if you have many. Here you can see 50 each time, so you can proceed to delete it, and you can see again here social. I can proceed to delete it this way, and once I've done so, I can proceed to trash and I can permanently delete it. Similarly, you can also do so in Google Drive. You can open up Google Drive and there check for any unnecessary files that you have saved or uploaded, and you can delete them permanently as well. You can also consider buying more space. If you can't delete enough, subscribe to a Google One plan. For more storage, you can buy up to 100 GB or 200 GB or 2 TB plus as well. Now it can take up to 48 hours for storage to update after deletion, so you want to refresh or re-log in later on. Hope this video was helpful. Do like it and subscribe.